Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's crazy today here because I'm at the airport. I'm leaving for a very quick trip and I've decided to share with you some of my best tips when it comes to traveling, packing and feeling comfy on the road. So if you're ready, let's go with me, let's follow me to the airport and I'll share some of my best tips with you. So obviously guys, my best tip for you would be probably an obvious one. You have to arrive super early, or at least I'm arriving super early. You know why? Even if you are checking in online in advance, I still highly recommend you to arrive early to the airport because you never know what could happen, and your bus could be late, or you can get stuck in a traffic jam, or your taxi could be late, anything. So make sure you leave enough time before departure. My tip number 2 would be to pack lightly, especially if you're going on a short trip like myself. Think of all the occasions and of all the clothes you'll need for those occasions and pack exactly the amount of clothes you'll need for all the days of your travel. Don't overpack because you'll regret it later, trust me. So since I'm going to the destination where it's gonna be relatively warm, I'm taking with me just a few quite light things. I'm taking a t-shirt and I'm also having this t-shirt on me that I'm going in. I'm taking a pair of shirts because you never know, and most probably I think it will be too warm to walk around in jeans. I'm also taking this one because if you are a frequent flyer, you probably know that flying sometimes the planes are, just freezing, and I'm just taking a hoodie with me, a sweatshirt, just in case it might be a little bit colder in the plane, or maybe even in the evening. And this is my best tip for you. Instead of taking a jacket with me, I'm taking just a shirt, a long sleeve shirt, because in the evening, if you're going to a warmish destination, it's not gonna be that cold to wear a jacket. However, it might be a little bit cooler, and so I'll just throw on a shirt without needing to carry a jacket with me and taking extra space in my luggage. And since I'm also having some plans for the evening, I'm taking a dress, and as I said before, you just bring a shirt and you have an outfit. And I think this is the best way to take your capsule wardrobe with you for just a few days when you're packing light. And make sure you have a comfortable luggage with you, especially if you're carrying on your luggage, if you don't have a huge luggage, and just a backpack. Making sure that your backpack is reliable, comfortable, and can fit anything is super important. In my case, I absolutely love mine, honestly. It's super comfortable, super reliable, and it's super easy to carry. And yeah, I can pack everything inside here if I'm going for just a few days trip and not a long one. If you are traveling with only the carry-on luggage, I would highly recommend you to invest in a very good, nice, but also comfortable and reliable backpack. And honestly, this CTC backpack from Drive has been my favorite ever since I started using it. It has the 2 compartments and they are even bigger than you think, because beside these 2 compartments, guys, this backpack becomes even bigger. And that's exactly what I need today. Look how convenient is it. So first thing first, I'm packing a bag with some underwear, sleepwear and stuff. So, I'll just keep it all in the same bag. And then the makeup bag, also make sure to have another plastic bag for all the toiletries that you need to show at the security. I have it all here. It's all covered in plastic. However, I just prefer to keep it in a nicer bag. So I keep this one. I'm taking a little handbag just in case I might need it, because I'm taking also a nice dress with me, so for a little switch in the evening. And then here I'll put all of my capsule wardrobe. So you see, it just fits perfectly for short trip even if you just carry this backpack and nothing else. Obviously, if you want to carry something else, that's perfectly fine. The last bit is to pack my sandals because, as I said, traveling for just a few days, I'm usually staying in the same pair of shoes that I'm traveling in. However, I'm just packing the sandals in case it's warm, and so I have something to wear with my dress. Then guys, you can see that it fits perfectly, and I have 2 more pockets inside here. I'll use them for a teeny tiny hand cream and a lip balm because, you know, traveling by plane, you will also have all of your skin so dry, so I'm using this and I'm just keeping them really close so I can have easy access to them. And I'm also usually traveling with just a few medicines. I highly recommend you to take only the prescription medicines, only the most necessary things, so you don't overpack. I'm having my vitamins that I'm packing here as well, and I'm having an ibuprofen and one thing against allergy just in case, and I'm packing it all here so I can have easy access to it if I need it or if I need to show it at the security. And I think we're done with this compartment. And can you see, guys, I could even pack something else here, which is super convenient. I'm using this compartment for my laptop and for all the electronics because like this I can easily take it all out when I need to show it at the security. And if you're traveling with the laptop, you know it could be such a hassle. Like this, I can just have a very easy access to it. And I'm always traveling with my laptop because I work as a freelancer, which means I'm working all the time basically. I have all of the chargers here. And then I will put this charger that's been a life changer for me because this is the charger for the batteries. I've switched to the reusable batteries for my mics and I absolutely love it. It saves you money and it's also a way more sustainable way to, you know, run a YouTube channel. One more thing for my phone and the mics. I will also put the rest of my gear here afterwards. Now guys, I just have a few more very miscellaneous things left, like a book, because I always like to carry a book with me when I'm traveling, you know, to have something to read during the flight. And I have this convenient pocket here, so I'll just put my book in here so I don't need to look for it when I'm on the plane. I'm also putting some glasses here and my earphones. Obviously, while traveling during COVID, you will need a hand sanitizer, and I'm using these side pockets so I can always have it right nearby when I need it. And my reusable water bottle, guys. You know that I'm a huge fan of sustainable traveling. I'm a huge fan of this reusable water bottle. It's super lightweight and I have this nice pocket here, and it's just a better sustainable way to travel. And also you can refill it in most airports after the security check, so you don't have to worry about it. The last things I have to pack is my wallet and also my documents. So I'm starting with my wallet, which is a way more convenient way to carry it. You know, you have access to it at all times. And this pocket is rather tight now with all the things inside, so it's virtually impossible to rob my wallet. I have most of my documents like ID card or something inside there, and I'll just put my passport nearby. And voila guys, you have a packed backpack with everything ready, everything you might need. And basically it's the only luggage you're gonna carry with you for a few days. And the best thing about this backpack, guys, is that I've teamed up with Drive, so you can get a 10% discount on their website on any of their products, including the C2C backpack, by using the link in my description box, and I will also pin it in the comments, or simply using my code Valeria10 when checking out. Check out their website because they have so many amazing products for travelers, and if you are a frequent traveler, I bet you will find something for you there. This is what I was talking about, guys. When you leave enough time for your departure, you will never get caught in a queue and be worried about being late for a flight. And that's it for today, guys. I'm at the check-in. I'll be leaving in just a few moments. and I wish everyone safe travels who's traveling in this period of time. I will see you very soon again. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button if you're new here, so you get all the notifications for all the upcoming videos. And as always, put in thumbs up, comment, share this video with your friends so I can make more videos like this. Thank you guys for being here and enjoy your day.